dead right now. Just take off right to left.
Yay. Can't really see what I'm
It's okay.
filming.
Back. I guess gotta trim it out a little.
I hope he's in this shot because I have no clue. I don't know.
Okay. Need to keep an eye on him too. So I'm gonna come around real low and crop dust.
Why? What do you have in it? You have stuff in it?
What? No.
Oh, you're just saying a pretend crop dust.
Yeah.
Don't get mad at me if I don't have him in the shot. I really can't see him in the video.
Okay.
Like I can't.
You come across.
Okay, so just keep it low on the.
Such a nice little fire. He needs a little more elevator control for me.
Holding this stupid camera hurts.
Here we go.
Okay. He's cute.
You just stay a little farther out. That's not bad. It's dead wind too, so I could land either way.
Should have brought another plane, but that one plane took up all of the room, huh?
Yeah.
Jerk plane. And then it didn't even frickin' go. He's cute. He's tiny, actually.
Where is he? I don't hear him.
That was pretty good.
That's a good one.
You know what you need? Those little smoke thingies, honey, for pretend crop dust. Yeah. Put up.
That dropped.
Oh, put up those little those smoke bomb things that you get from the firework.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, right.
All right. Landing left to right. Flaps. Middle of the road flaps.
Oh fuck! It's hot out here.
Yeah, well, we're out of here after this.
Well, I mean, if you want to take it back up, I'll just go sit in the car with the AC.
In the face.
All right, I got that. Sweet. I did better photography this time. Here he comes.
Runway's open.